Hi, today I'm going to do another video of another exercise you can do instead of sit-ups. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. I am on a mission to get the world to stop doing sit-ups. They are hard on the discs in your low back and they are not very functional. So I'm trying to give you options of other exercises you can do to get the abdominal work you're looking for without sacrificing the discs in your low back and being, again, more functional so that you're stronger to do the things that you love, like golf or swim or run. Today we're going to talk about carries, suitcase carry and farmer's carry. I would love for you to try these exercises. It's amazing how much your abdominals have to work to do this exercise well. In the demonstration, I first do a suitcase carry. That's holding a weight in one hand. I've got about 35 pounds here, which is a little bit strenuous. Up nice and tall, chest up, ears, shoulders, hips in line. And you'll notice that I'm not shifting back and forth. I'm trying to maintain a really nice, straight, upright posture. Now, when I turn around and head back, I'm going to show you some of the things I commonly see that people do wrong. They kind of waddle back and forth, or they overcompensate to the opposite side because the weight is too heavy and you're struggling to control it. So really make sure that you're able to hold that good controlled position. The second exercise I'm demonstrating is a farmer's carry. Notice again that I'm up nice and tall, chest up, ears, shoulders, hips in line. I'm really trying to make sure that my shoulder blades are pinching behind. And then as I turn around and go in the other direction, I'm going to show you about halfway, I'm going to slouch. And this is what I see people do, again, when they're carrying too much weight, too much load, and they can't maintain that upright posture against it. The only way I can convince you that this is truly good abdominal work is for you to give this exercise a try. If you've never done a carry before, start with just 15 pounds or so and practice staying up tall against the load. And then as you get more confident and more capable, you can start increasing the weight. And when you start lifting a significant amount, you're going to notice that you have to work really hard through your core, through your abdominal muscles to hold that good position with every step that you take. Give it a try, see what you think. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really does help my small business grow. Thank you so much for listening.